Bible Study Guide, Day 35, Exodus 16 to 18. Moses and the Israelites have been journeying through the desert for about a month since their miraculous escape from Egypt. As they begin to run out of food, the people start grumbling against Moses and Aaron, saying that they would have been better off staying as slaves in Egypt, where at least they had enough to eat. God hears their complaints and provides them with bread from heaven, known as manna. God also promises to send meat in the form of quail every evening for the people to eat. The Israelites are instructed to collect only enough food for each day, and on the sixth day they are to gather twice as much so that they can rest on the Sabbath. Despite these instructions, some of the people still try to collect more than they need, but the extra food spoils and becomes full of worms. This shows God's provision and faithfulness in providing for His people. God also uses this opportunity to reintroduce the concept of the Sabbath, a day of rest where no work is to be done. This is a commandment that will later become one of the 10 Commandments given to Moses on Mount Sinai. God then instructs Moses to take an omer of manna and keep it as a remembrance for future generations, to show how God provided for the Israelites in the wilderness. As the Israelites continue their journey, they begin to run out of water. Once again, they grumble against Moses and accuse him of bringing them out into the desert to die of thirst. Moses cries out to God for help, and God instructs him to strike a certain rock with his staff. Moses obeys, and water miraculously comes gushing out of the rock for the people to drink. This is another example of God's provision and faithfulness to His people. Soon after, the Amalekites come to attack the Israelites. Moses instructs Joshua to gather some men and go out to fight, while he himself goes up on a nearby hill with the staff of God in his hand. As long as Moses holds up his hands, the Israelites are winning the battle. But when his arms grow tired and he lowers them, the Amalekites start to win. Aaron and Hur come to Moses' aid by holding up his hands, and the Israelites are able to defeat their enemies. This is a reminder of the importance of unity and working together in times of struggle. Moses' father-in-law, Jethro, hears of everything God has done for the Israelites and comes to visit Moses in the desert. Jethro is a priest of Midian, and he brings Moses' wife, Zipporah, and their 2 sons with him. Jethro sees how Moses is handling all the disputes among the people and advises him to appoint leaders to help bear the burden. This shows that even great leaders like Moses need support and help from others. Moses takes his father-in-law's advice and selects qualified individuals to serve as judges over groups of thousands, hundreds, 50s, and 10s. This not only relieves the burden on Moses, but also allows for more efficient and fair judgment among the people. Jethro's advice also serves as a reminder of the importance of seeking wise counsel from others. Even Moses, who had direct communication with God, was open to listening to the advice of his father-in-law. This shows that no matter how knowledgeable or close we may be to God, it is always beneficial to seek guidance and wisdom from those around us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.